Are you still manually copying and pasting data from Facebook ads, Shopify, or QuickBooks just to build one simple weekly report? What if you could automate that entire process in minutes and even use AI to chat directly with your business data? Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're looking at Coupler.io, a no-code data integration and AI analytics platform designed to take you from raw data to a finished report completely hands-free. Whether you work in marketing, finance, sales, or run an agency, this tool is built to save you hours of manual work. So how does it actually work? At its core, Coupler.io connects over 400 different data sources, including Google Ads, Salesforce, and Shopify, and automatically sends that data straight to your favorite destinations, like Google Sheets, Excel, Looker Studio, or Power BI. You don't need to know how to write a single line of code. Once your data is connected, you can easily clean it up right inside the platform. You can filter, blend, aggregate, and join different data sources so everything looks exactly how you want it before it ever hits your dashboard. But here's where it gets really cool: the AI features. Coupler.io includes an AI agent that lets you chat with your business data. Instead of digging through complex spreadsheets to find a specific trend, you can simply ask a question in plain language, like, "What was our top performing ad campaign last month?" and get an instant, accurate answer. Plus, if you're in a rush, they offer ready-to-use dashboard templates to get your visual reports up and running fast. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, having access to over 400 data sources and the ability to query your data with AI is incredibly powerful for saving time. It's also highly secure, carrying SOC 2 and GDPR compliance certifications. As for the cons, because we don't have a pool of external user reviews to draw from today, we can't speak to common user complaints or how it handles highly complex custom database setups. You'll want to test out their free trial to see how it handles your specific workflow. Overall, if you want to eliminate manual data entry and start making faster, data-driven decisions with the help of AI, Coupler.io is absolutely worth a look. You can get started for free by visiting Coupler.io. If you found this quick walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more automation tutorials, and let me know in the comments, what data sources are you hoping to automate first? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.